again, it's Daniel Zaltzman, the manager of the developer relations team here at DigitalOcean. So earlier at Deploy, we launched the DigitalOcean Navigators program. This is a program to reward and recognize our key contributors and to provide tools so that you can do what you do best: create code, write great content, make great videos, organize meetups, all the things that navigators do. To learn more about the Navigators program, go to do.co/navigators. Now, with us today is another honorary navigator. Really excited to hear the story and learn more from the one and only Ahmad Awais.
Hey, hello everybody. I am Ahmad Awais. I'm from Lahore. I've written a lot of open source software that is being used by millions of developers out there, like my Shades of Purple theme, or a command line tool that I wrote to track coronavirus that went feet viral. All of this has led to many things, like GitHub recognizing me in their GitHub Stars program. I'm a Google Developers Expert, a web developer advocate, and I also serve on the Node.js community committee as their outreach lead. Early on in my college, when I was studying electrical engineering, I kind of got inspired to write more and more software and ended up majoring in computer science. I made a habit of sharing everything I know. I wrote a lot of technical content, became kind of a tech journalist, started contributing to open source and do all kinds of meetups, hackathons, and delivered like more than 100 talks on different conferences throughout the last decade. And this led to a career in developer relations, where I'm always teaching, where I'm always helping out the developers community. I'm giving talks, or I'm helping businesses understand developers better, improve their developer products, developer experience, or whatnot. And have myself written hundreds of developer tools, so you kind of get the idea that developers are my people, and I love the developers community.
Okay, what is a memorable DigitalOcean experience for you?
About 10 years ago, I started this meetup group for cloud developers, which grew to one of the biggest meetup groups on meetup.com, with thousands of developers meeting up, doing hackathons and whatnot. And that is when DigitalOcean reached out and started helping us with different programs. Like I remember an open source sponsorship program, or when they supported different startups with predictable cloud price. But one of the most memorable events, or one of the most memorable experiences throughout this journey, has been this event called Hacktoberfest. I've been part of Hacktoberfest for about 5 years now, and I've seen how single-handedly this event of Hacktoberfest have brought developers from all over the world together, and they are all creating open source. The open source is changing the world, and companies like GitHub, DigitalOcean with events like Hacktoberfest are a huge part of it.
What do you love about the developer community?
In the developers community, everyone is kind of helping everyone else. And this is this unique thing about, tech, where people go above and beyond to help each other out.
What advice do you have for aspiring navigators?
I believe now is as good a time as any, if not more, due to coronavirus or COVID-19, that people are looking to change their jobs. People are looking for remote opportunities. They are looking for starting their tech journey, their career in tech. That is a huge opportunity to make a big difference. So go out in the community and start making this developers community more accessible, more friendlier, and more diverse, because that matters. That matters a lot.
Okay, what's a project that you're excited about and you're working on right now?
I'm currently working towards launching a course on 5th October called nodecli.com, where I'm teaching how a developer can use Node.js and JavaScript to automate their current tasks and create awe-inspiring portfolio projects. So if that's your cup of tea, definitely check out nodecli.com.
All right, before we go, is there anything else you would like to share with the DigitalOcean community?
My message to everyone is that you can do a lot of good. So go out there and be the change that can turn this developers community into a more accessible and better community for everyone. Use your code for good. Peace.
Wow. Thank you so much for taking the time to share your navigator journey. It means so much to us for you to be here at the very first deploy. It's so inspiring to hear from all of our honorary navigators, and there's so many more. Today was an exciting time because we got a chance to officially launch the Navigators program by DigitalOcean. To learn more about Navigators, please go to do.co/navigators. Thank you so much. And to say goodbye, we have a special guest, Sammy the Shark. Bye, everyone.